It's Friday Sales. It's Friday Sales. What you gonna make? If you want to see what I've been working on this week in my sewing room, please stay tuned. Hello everyone. I am coming to you from outside. I am currently in South Georgia and we are actually getting ready for the hurricane that is coming. So I'm actually recording this video a little bit ahead of time just in case we don't have power or something unforeseen happens. I wanted to be on the safe side and go ahead and put this up so you guys could have it on Friday. So I want to start with a pattern that I showed you guys about that I was making for my granddaughter's first birthday. Her birthday was about 2 weeks ago, but unfortunately they had a death in the family, which pushed the party back an additional 2 weeks. So it'll be this coming weekend. And I made McCall's pattern for that outfit. So I used McCall's 8519. I showed you guys what I was working on, and I used the View F and modified it. So let me show you what I did. So here's what I did. This band right here isn't a part of the pattern, but as I was creating as I was sewing, I had black thread in my sewing machine, and you could see it and it didn't look appealing. So I put this band right here across the front and made it come all the way around the back and use it as a tie closure back here where there's a bow. You can see the bow right here. So that's going to be part of a closure, as well as I included a snap right here. This was just a hand sewn snap that they can use for a closure. And I wasn't sure if it was going to be too big or not. So what I did was I put buttons on the inside right here, and I made it where it could go. If it's too big, she should be able to crisscross it to take up some of the slack. And if it's just right, she should be able to push the straps straight down and it'll fit just right. Either way, it should work out. And this was the medium size in that pattern. And we have a little bias binding and the leg has elastic in it. But this will be her little birthday outfit for Saturday. Next, I'm going to share with you what else I've been working on. I have been working on my Project Dresser Girl dresses that I wanted to donate this year. So I was having one of those days where I didn't have my sojo, and I was like, I need to get up, I need to go. And I had already completed maybe about 2 dresses. Then I was like, okay, I'll just let that be it and I'll just send those in. Then I was watching the wonderful KGFL, and she showed that she finished her dresses and she made 10. Well, 10 was my original personal goal. And I was like, okay, I gotta get up. And then I was watching her video and I was like, oh my gosh, the dresses are so beautiful. And it inspired me to get up and finish what I started. And I am glad to say that I did reach my personal goal of creating 10 dresses for Project Dresser Girl for 2024. So I'm going to share with you what I did. These first 4 dresses are dresses from leftover from last year that I started. I didn't start, but I cut them up and had them ready. And I just was going to finish them for this year. I think I did 10 last year. I either did 8 or 10, but I can't remember. But I do know I had a goal of 10 and I reached my goal. And I'm glad that I watched her video and it put a little fire under me to get started, because I am so glad that I stuck to my personal goal and I completed my dresses. So these first 4 dresses are, I guess you would consider them to be a t-shirt dress, where the top of it is a t-shirt 100% cotton, and the bottom is a woven fabric. So I'll share with you the dresses that I made. This first one is a size 4T. And next one is a 4T as well. I love this little happy fabric with the little seahorses. I thought that was really cute. And I love this black. I like when kids wear black for some reason. That's just a little thing of mine. And I made another dress, and I placed the pocket on the dress portion instead of the top portion of this one. And this one is a 2T, but it's a little long, so they might be able to get this in a person, on a child like a size 3. And this one is a 2T as well, and this one is so cute and so adorable. I love the little ruffle at the bottom. So these are, first 4 are t-shirt dresses that I finished that were previously cut, and I finished those. So those are 4 of the dresses that I finished. And I'm going to show you another pattern that I used to create 3 more dresses. So the next 3 dresses that I created, I used Thoughtful Creativity's pattern. And you can see I printed it out. It is a free pattern. I printed it out and I cut it apart so I could use what I want with the different fabrics. So let me show you what I came up with using this pattern. And again, this is the pattern that Thoughtful Creativity designed for this year's event. But if you log on to her channel, watch her video, it's in her description box. You can get all of the dresses for free that she's created or designed over the years for this project. But this is the one from this year. So I created 3. We have this one, this bright, cute little dress. These are sizes 5, 6. I did not follow her instructions exactly. I made facings where it's kind of like you make cut out 2 of each, 2 fronts, 2 backs, sew them together. So that's what I did. Let me see. On this one, I do have the little side pockets. Really cute. Next, I have this one. I use another fabric for the outside. And this has like a little double width. So this one is going to be a little wider at the bottom. And I created a heart pocket. I don't know if you can see the little heart pocket I created right here with the little lace. That's some lace from Temu, if I'm not mistaken. And then I put like a little ruffle around the pocket. Really, really cute. As well as I did this one. Same little facing thing going on in the inside. The pocket is on the front. And this one, when I was sewing up right here, it was a little off. So that's why you have these little bows at the end. So they may be big, but it was to cover up one mistake that I made. So I did these 3 from the Thoughtful Creativities pattern that she had designed for Project Dress a Girl 2024 pattern. Next, I'm going to show you a simplicity pattern that I use to make another dress. I'm sorry guys, it's a new look pattern. So this is New Look 6522. I think this is so cute. Now this dress I did alterations on my own because I am probably one of the scariest people there is on the earth. So this dress has like a tie right here, and I'm myself, I I will wear a tie around my neck, but I really don't care for it. So therefore, I modified the neckline of this dress and created it a little bit different. So I'll show you what I did different. So this is what I did. I used the same neckline, and instead of this was supposed to go in the back, I just reversed it to the front and left the front open and closed the back instead of vice versa. So it's just a little collar, and then I created a what do you call it? It's like a overlap right here where this comes open and it's not too far, and they can just slip it over their head. And then I folded this down to close the inside, and I did French seams on the inside to close it, as well as my regular hem. And I wanted a little different pocket, so I wanted to do a flower, just trying to do something different. It kind of looks like a fried egg, but it still brings a little character to my dress. So I'm gonna push you back a little bit so you can see the entire dress, because this pattern size that I use, it says a size 6, but I have a granddaughter who is like a 9, 10, and I think this would fit her. So when I label it, I think I'm gonna label it as a 9, 10 because it's pretty big. So let me show you. And this is the pocket. But I love how this turned out, and I have this same pattern that I'm going to use to make my granddaughter a dress, and it's a Disney princess print, but I'm going to use it to make her this same dress with this same method and not put the tie around the neck. I just don't feel comfortable with the tie around the neck. That's my personal preference. Last, I'm going to share with you my simplicity pattern for my last 2 dresses and show you which one was my favorite. So, a week or so ago, I did let you know that I was working on this pattern when I did my Project Dress a Girl video. This is the pattern that I highlighted. I love this pattern. It is so awesome, and it is so easy to use. I'm actually thinking about making this little cat bag. I think that's going to be really cute. But with that being said, this is the sizes 3 through 8, and this is Simplicity 8102. Very easy, simple dress, and I created version A. So I did have one of the dresses finished when I created that video, and it was this one. I just had to go back in and finish my insides. It has a little pocket right here, which you see the little bow is on the front to embellish the pocket. These right here come loose. These are not sewn in, so you can easily take this loose to slip it over the girl's head, or this probably is enough room to slip it in as it is, and they could probably wear with this in the winter time with a turtleneck or something, long sleeve shirt. Really cute. I also made this again, and this is my favorite dress of all the dresses that I made. I just love how this turned out. Isn't this cute? I love this pattern. And I was thinking, like, I couldn't debate, well, I was going to make myself something. Then I saw it. I said, no, this would be great for Project Dress a Girl. And I'm so glad that I waited. If you can see, the pocket is a different fabric than this, but they blend so well. And I put some more of that Timu lace on there. Those same ties. Like I say, these come loose. This is really cute for the facing. I use the pocket fabric there, and just really cute. And this one, like I say, is my favorite. I'm really, really happy with how this turned out. Okay guys, I hope that you enjoyed my video. It is not too late for you to participate in Project Dress a Girl 2024. We're creating dresses all the way until the 30th, and then try to have them postmarked. If I'm not mistaken, it's by the 4th of October. I am getting ready to mail mine off this week. I will see you guys on the next video. As always, you are so special to me. Thank you so much for taking the time out of your day to spend it with me. Have a wonderful weekend. If you are in the path of that storm, be safe. Make sure you have all your supplies. As always, I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye-bye.